Hello and welcome friends. In this video we are going to derive the equations of kinematics by using the graphical method. So without wasting any more time, let's get right in. For deriving the equation of kinematics by using the graphical method, first let us understand this basic graph. Now this is a velocity time graph. Now what velocity time graph gives is acceleration, and at time is equal to 0 seconds, the body starts from rest and its initial velocity will be u. After some time t, it will reach its final velocity, that is here. At this point can be assigned as v, which is equal to the final velocity, and this is t from 0 seconds to t seconds. Now let us prove the first equation of motion by using this graph. So if you have studied some basic physics, then you definitely know that the slope of velocity and time gives acceleration. So what we can write acceleration is equal to velocity divided by time. Now which line represents the velocity? Fc represents velocity, and time is represented by the x-axis, so AB is equal to time. Now what Fc can be written as? It can be written as dE, and let AB be as it is. Implies A is equal to, now what dE is? dE is equal to AE minus dA and divided by AB. Implies A is equal to, what AE is? AE, it is phi minus, and what dA is? dA is this point, so it is u. And what AB represents? AB is here, so it represents time. From 0 to t, time t seconds, so it is t. Now we will take t in the left hand side. AT is equal to phi minus u. So phi is equal to u plus AT. This is the first equation of motion. Now let us prove the second equation by using this graph. So again you will know that the area under a velocity time graph curve gives the distance. So we will use the same thing. So what we can write now is S is equal to area under this curve, this whole curve. So this, you can see the area is divided into two parts. This is the area of a rectangle and this is the area of a triangle. So first let us consider the area of this triangle. So what is the area of this triangle is, we can write the formula for area of this triangle is half into base, that is DC, into height, that is FC, plus the area of this rectangle. So it is DC into TA, which implies half into what? DC can be written, DC is equal to AB, so it is T, into what is FC? FC is DE, and DE is what? As before, it is phi minus u. Phi minus u plus what is DC? DC is again T into dA. What is D? dA? dA is equal to u. dA, it is equal to u. Now half into T into, now what is phi minus u? From the first equation, if you look, V minus U is equal to AT. So we will write AT in place of V minus U plus UT. Therefore, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is the second equation of motion. Till now, we have proved these two equations of motion, that is V is equal to U plus AT and S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Now, before we considered the area as the area of this triangle plus the area of this rectangle. Now, we are going to consider the area of this trapezium, that is ABFD, which is in the form of a trapezium. For that, we can write is S is equal to, what is the area of a trapezium formula? It is half into sum of the parallel sides. The sum of the parallel sides is DA is one parallel side plus BF is the another parallel side into altitude, that is DC. So half, what is DA? DA is equal to U plus what is BF? BF is equal to AE, that is equal to V, into what is DC? DC is equal to AB, which is equal to time. Now from the first equation, if you rearrange it a little bit, V is equal to U plus AT. If we want to find T, then what we'll get is V minus U by A. We are going to use this now. So half into U plus V into, in place of this T, we are going to replace this thing, that is V minus U by A. So here it is S half into V square minus U square by A. For those of you who have not understood this part, I have used the formula A square minus B square, which is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So if we take this twice A to the left hand side, we will get twice AS is equal to V square minus U square. On rearranging, V square is equal to U square plus twice AS. Here we have found the third equation of motion. So thank you all friends for watching my video. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below and like us to encourage us to make further videos. Till then, goodbye.